Hi, I'm Miss Darcel, Faith and Works Private Tutoring, and welcome to our SCA series. In this series, we are going to tackle section 3 questions. Now, these are the hardest questions in the SCA math paper, right? But with my help, we're going to break it down into smaller chunks to help you understand how to answer questions, looking for keyword clues, and making sure that you include your statements. Now, you can, when we go through the question, you can pause the video, try it on your own, and then press play and listen to the explanation and see if you got the same answer as me. So let's go. All right. So here's the question. You can pause it now, try it on your own, and then you can listen to my explanation. All right. So Diane has dough for making pizzas. She separates the dough into 3 portions listed below. Portion A, B, and C. Portion A is 825 grams. Portion B is twice as much as portion A. Portion C is twice as much as portion B. What is the weight in grams of portion B? All right, so let's look at for the keyword clues here. So we have twice as. Twice is a keyword clue. It means 2 times. 2 times, right? So let's tackle this section, please. So if portion A is 825 grams, then portion B is 2 times A. 2 times A is 2 times 825 grams. All right, now we can't use a calculator, so we're gonna have to do it the long way. All right, so here we go. 825 multiplied by 2. Right, so we have 5 2s are 10, carry the 1, 2 by 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Then we have 8 2s are 16. So portion B measures 1,650 grams. Let's look at portion C now. So portion C is twice as B. So we can leave the 1650 here and multiply that by 2. That will give us C. So that's 0 times 2 is 0. 5 2s are 10. Carry the 1. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 is 13. Right? 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3,300 grams. All right, so basically by filling out this chart at the top here, we can solve the rest of the questions. So what is the weight in grams, keyword clue here, of portion B? We just did it. So there we go. We're gonna put that in there, 1,650. All right, easy 1 mark, bam. Part B, what is the weight in kilograms, keyword clue, of portion C? Keyword clue there. So you might be excited and say, oh, it's 300 grams. No, 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 no. Kilograms. How do we change grams to kilograms? We divide by 1,000. How do we divide by 1,000? Let's write that down. You can do it this way, or you can do it I like to call it the bunny hop or the frog hop way. All right. So let me show you the 2 versions so you can figure out which version is easier for you. So there we go. We have You can cancel out the zeros. All right, and then we have 33 divided by 10. All right, we're going to use the bunny hop on this one as well. All right, so 33 divided by 10, we're going to bunny hop. So our decimal point starts here. We move one space to the left. Bam. So our final answer is 3.3 kilograms. We do the bunny hop. If you're doing it this way, our decimal point comes here at the end of the number, and we move 3 spaces because there are 3 zeros to the left. 1, 2, 3. All right. Of course, you'll get 3.3 kilograms. Okay. So let's scroll on to the next part of the question. Might have to clean this board up. Part C. What is the total weight of all 3 portions of dough? All right. So I'm gonna have to. So this one is 825. All right. So we have 825 grams. Okay. So let me erase some of this work in here so the board is clear. All right, so total weight, that's a keyword clue. Total weight. So total usually means addition, right? So let's add all of them together. So we have, let's have the largest number first. So we have 3,300. You know, we're adding 1,650, 825. Let's see what we got. 0 plus 0, that's 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 8 and 3 is 11. 11 and 6 is 17. 1 and 3 is 4. 4 and 1 is 5. All right, so let's just double check. Yeah, 17. All right, so our final answer in grams, we have to make sure we put grams in there. 5,775 grams. And there you have it. 4 easy marks right there. Boom. All right, let's go to the next question. All right, so here's our question. So Kara's home has 2 bathrooms shown below, bathroom A and B. So let's follow the question here. Kara thinks the area and perimeter of bathroom B is larger, keyword here, than the area and perimeter of bathroom A. So she thinks B is bigger than A. Interesting. Is Kara's thinking correct? Show working to completely support your answer. All right. Easy peasy. We just have to show what's the area and perimeter of each of them. So for bathroom A, the area, so we can put A for area, or you can write it down. Area would be, this is for A. The area of a square is side by side. So 8 multiplied by 8 will give us 64 meters square. The perimeter of a square is side multiplied by 4. So 8 multiplied by 4 equals 32 meters. All right, so let's test and see what bathroom B is going to be. So for B, area This is a rectangle. So the area of a rectangle is length by breadth. So 9 meters multiplied by 6 meters. 9 sixes are 54 meters squared. The perimeter would be length plus breadth, so multiply by 2. So let's say 2, we'll put that in brackets. 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is 15, so 15 multiplied by 2 is 30 meters. So, is bathroom, the area and perimeter of bathroom B is larger than the area and perimeter of bathroom A. Let's look at it. The area of A is 64, while the area of B is 54. So A is definitely larger. The perimeter of A is 32, and the perimeter of B is 30. So therefore, A is larger. So she is not correct. A is larger than B. On to the next question. All right, question 39. So Roll had to label the triangle below. All right, what type of triangle did Roll draw? So let's look for the clues. All right, so we have 3 sides and they all measure the same. Interesting. 4, 4, 4. We have 3 angles that also all measure the same. So let's think about what triangle, what type of triangle that could be. All 3 sides are equal. The clue is in the name, equal. So that means it's definitely an equilateral triangle. Equilateral. Right, and there we have easy mark there. Okay, let's do a text here. All right, on the lines below, write 3 explanations as to how you determine the type of triangle Roll drew, right? So we looked at the clues, so we can definitely include them. So 1, all sides, hey, stuck. All sides are equal. Second point, 3 angles are 60 degrees each. I'll put the degree sign at the end. And the third, right, there are 3 lines of symmetry. All right, so those are the properties of an equilateral triangle. Right. So all 3 sides are equal, 3 angles are equal, and there are 3 lines of symmetry. So there's one here, and one here. So those are the properties of an equilateral triangle. On to the next question. All right, so we're on our last question in section 3, number 40. Peter was given a puppy weighing 2 kilograms for his birthday. Keyword clue there. The puppy's weight was recorded at the end of each month for 5 months. The bar graph shows the increase in its weight. What was the weight of the puppy at the end of month 4? And B, if the weight of the puppy increases the same, keyword clue, Every month, draw the bar to show the puppies increase in weight after month 5. So let's look at the information that we do know to figure out what we don't know. So the weight is on the left side of the axis here of the graph. So kilograms, so this here would be the months. I wish I put that in there. All right, so we have the months at the bottom here on the horizontal. All right, so at 0 month, the puppy was already 2 kilograms. Yes, that's what it says here. When the puppy was born, it was when he got the puppy at 2 kilograms. So it's already 2 kilograms here. All right, so let's rub this off here. So let's pretend this is month 0 here. So he was already 2 kilograms here. At month 0. So by month 4 on the graph, he was 20 kilograms. Right, this is month 4. So all we have to do is add the weights. So month 4, after that. So a simple statement would read month 4 equals 20 kg plus 2 kg, right? Because he started at, you're not born at 0 kilograms, right? He was born and he grew until 2 kilograms. Then Peter got him, right? And then 4 months after Peter got him, he grew 20 more kilograms. So we have to add them together. So that will give us a total of 22 kilograms. All right. So now we have to draw a bar. So part B states if the weight of the puppy increases the same, so let's check what's happening here. So we have month 1 it was 5, month 2 it was 10, month 3 it was 15. Let's check the pattern. Month 4 is 20, so it increases by 5 every month. So we can show, so therefore if it increases by 5 it's going to be at 25. So 25 is here, so let's line it up and draw our bar. There we have it, and that is it. Right, so that is section 3, weighted problems, SEA math. Clear. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel to message in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe to get more answers to your questions as we head to the road to SCA next year. Bye.